In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chat conversation in Microsoft Teams. This process is incredibly straightforward, but really useful for anyone looking to save or share crucial information from a conversation thread without losing any context. Let's dive right in and make sure you can handle this with ease. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the specific chat or channel conversation you wish to copy. This might sound elementary, but it's important to make sure you're in the right place so you don't end up copying the wrong conversation. Microsoft Teams organizes chats in a linear manner, and once you have the correct conversation open, it's smooth sailing from there. Now, once you're viewing the desired chat, you have a couple of options available to you. If you only need to copy a single message, the process couldn't be simpler. Move your mouse cursor over to the specific message. A little menu will appear above or beside it. Just click on the three-dot icon, also known as the More Options button. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll select Copy. This action places the message directly into your clipboard, and you're ready to paste it wherever you need it. But let's say you have a whole thread of conversation you need to copy. If you're on a computer, one easy method is to click and drag your cursor to select multiple messages. Just click at the start of the text you wish to copy, hold the mouse button down, and drag to highlight all relevant messages. Don't worry if you go too far, you can always adjust your selection. Once everything you want is highlighted, right-click on the text and select Copy. Now all those messages are saved to your clipboard as well. If you happen to be on a mobile device, things are a bit different due to the touch interface, but it's still simple. Tap and hold on the message you wish to select, and a menu will pop up, giving you the option to either copy or share the message. For multiple messages, you might have to repeat this action for each one, depending on your device's capabilities and the app version. Finally, once you have your desired text saved to the clipboard, you're ready to paste it wherever necessary. Head over to your destination, whether that's an email, document, or another chat. Place your cursor in the desired location, right-click, and select Paste. On a mobile device, simply tap in the text field and select Paste from the context menu. And there you have it, the essential steps to copying chat conversations from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with team members across different parts of a project, need to document conversations, or simply want to save important information for future reference, these steps will ensure you're equipped to handle your chats efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.